Top 5 smartphone camera attachments for better photos.
Discover how to transform your smartphone into a powerful photography tool. Whether you're capturing landscapes, portraits, or close-ups, these top camera lens attachments will help you achieve impressive results without the need for a professional camera.
1. Xenvo Pro Lens Kit.
The Xenvo Pro Lens Kit offers a 0.45 times wide-angle lens and a 15 times macro lens. This 2-in-1 attachment expands your field of view for group shots or lets you capture incredible close-ups of small objects. Its sturdy clip works with most smartphones, and the included LED light helps brighten low-light scenes.
2. Moment Wide Lens.
Known for its premium glass and build, the Moment Wide Lens delivers crisp, distortion-free images. It's ideal for landscapes and cityscapes, offering a broader perspective while minimizing edge distortion. Paired with the Moment mounting system, it provides a secure fit and professional-grade photography for mobile users.
3. Aukey Ora 2-in-1 Lens Set.
Combine flexibility and value with the Aukey Ora 2-in-1 lens set. Featuring both a wide-angle and a macro lens, this kit extends creative possibilities. Its robust aluminum construction and easy-to-use clip make it perfect for quick attachment, helping elevate everyday photos from detailed flower shots to sweeping vistas.
4. Olloclip Essential Lens Set.
The Olloclip Essential Lens Set is popular for its portability and variety. This kit typically includes a fisheye, a super wide, and a macro lens. Its compact design makes it easy to take anywhere, and the simple installation means you can instantly switch between different shooting styles for creative mobile photography.
5. Apexel 36x Telephoto Lens.
I'll capture distant subjects with clarity using the Apexel 36 times Telephoto lens. It's perfect for wildlife, sports, and concerts where you can't get close. The attachment features a sturdy tripod mount for stability and a rotating focus ring, ensuring sharp, steady shots at high magnification from your smartphone.
Upgrade your mobile photography.
With the right camera attachments, your smartphone can rival dedicated cameras for quality and creativity. Whether you enjoy landscapes, portraits, or macro photography, these top lens kits unlock new possibilities. Try one of these accessories and start capturing impressive shots you'll love to share.